Hi. So many of you were asking what is gray market premium and how to apply for IPO. Let me explain in this video. So in Google, if you search for what's IPO, you will find this link, gray market premium. So if you click on it, here you have a list of stocks with approximate gray market premium. So today is 13th of September. Here you can see which is currently open. So as I can see, this 12 to 16, this IPO is currently open, which has a gray market premium of 12.82%, which means there is a demand for this stock. It might get listed on the stock exchange with 12 percentage premium. It might. So it is not exact how it will get listed, but it is the approximate returns expected. Similarly, if you come down, you can see there are other stocks like 1 minute. So this stock, if you see, this IPO is still open, which has a huge gray market premium of 118 percentage. So uh, we will only choose stock if it has the gray market premium of minimum 35 percentage. If you find any of the stock with gray market premium of 35 percentage or higher, then you can consider that stock for an investment. For example, here this stock, let's take which is Airflow Rail Technology, which has a huge gray market premium, which is of 118 percentage. Once you identify such stock, again you go to Google, search for company name space IPO, and you will find this website Chittargarh. So here, if you go, you will find when is this IPO is opening, when it is closing, when you will get the refund, a tentative listing date, everything is here. So here you can see something lot size, which is 1,000 shares. So you cannot buy single share. So you need to buy in multiples of lot size. So here one lot is 1,000 shares and the issue price is 140 rupees. So to apply a single lot, you will need a minimum of here it is mentioned. So if you apply for a single lot, here the minimum two lots mentioned, which is 2,80,000. If it is a single lot, then it will come to around 1,40,000 something. So minimum you should invest this much amount. This is not long-term investing. This is not based on fundamentals. This is purely based on demand and supply. For example, for this stock, there is a huge demand because of which gray market premium is huge. If we get the allotment, first of all, we may not get the allotment to whatever the IPOs we apply because uh, here you can see it is subscribed. Now we would apply for individual investors category. It is already subscribed for 97 times. So which means that uh, for a single share, there is a competition like 97 people are trying to get that single share. So here you have, for example, you applied to this IPO, the chances are very, very low that you get the allotment. But the point is, if we are lucky and get allotted, then we may get that huge premium which is mentioned here. For this stock, for example, 118 percentage, at least if it gets listed with some 60 percentage premium, then that is the profit for us. So if we get allotted, then we can sell it on the listing day and book that profit. That is the idea. Actually, we shouldn't do this short term trading activities, but many of you are expecting for quick gains. So here the risk is high. If we get allotted, then profit is also high, and we are reducing the risk factor by applying only for the companies which are having huge premiums. For example, we will not apply for such IPOs which is having just 1% gray market premium. Whichever the company is having 35 percentage or higher of gray market premium, only such companies we will apply. If we get allotted, we are lucky, then we will get that profit book on the listing day itself. We can sell immediately and book that profit. If we do not get allotment, we can for people who want to see some quick profit, or people who play in lottery things and all, no, so they can uh, look for this option. So now once we have identified the company to invest, we will just look for what is the lot size, what is the minimum investment needed, everything we will look here, and we can try that. If we say, for example, another company which I had recently updated in that WhatsApp group, which is Urban Company, for which IPO is already closed. So if you look for this company, again, you come back to Google, search for Urban Company IPO. So for this stock, here you can see issue one share is 103 rupees and lot size is 145 shares. So minimum investment is 14,935. So there is a difference if it is getting listed in main board or SME. So these companies are very small. So they are all categorized as small medium enterprise. Generally, for SME companies, the lot size will be very huge. If it gets listed in the main board, then the lot size will be around 15,000. One lot is around 15,000. So for this now, the IPO date is closed. We cannot apply now. Yesterday was the last day for this company. But in future, if you find out any such companies, no, you can directly go to this Watch IPO website, look for companies with minimum 35 percentage return, and search it in the Chittargarh website. You can find the lot size, and you can apply and try. Now, if I apply from my Demat account, the chances are very less I would get allotted. But if I hold multiple Demat accounts with the different PAN numbers, so the probability is higher. Like now, all of us, if we apply for an IPO, around 20 people are applying for the IPO. Now, 100 people are competing for that same IPO. Now, the probability is high. Any one of us may get allotted. If any one of us getting the allotment, then at least they could book the profit of whatever we discussed so far. Now we have identified the company, we checked the lot size and the minimum investment, everything. Now, if you go to your broker account, I have opened a Grow here because many of you hold a Grow account as far as I know. So if you go, if you open your broker account, Grow, Zerodha, or whatever you have, here you will find something called IPO. Once you click that, now we look for this airflow rail technology, which is the IPO date is still there. So you can go there and click for apply, and confirm and apply something is there. So the lot size you can mention here. So minimum lot is one. So 1,140. Here itself, it is saying the minimum shares that can be purchased is 2,000. So for this company, 2,80,000 is needed as the minimum investment. Then only you can apply for this IPO. But in case of urban company and all, with the 15,000 minimum investment, you can apply. You will be able to apply. So once you click the lot size and bid price, this bid price, no, always you quote for the higher amount. So this company is price is ranged between 133 and 140. We should always quote for 140 rupees, and you can say continue, and you can enter your UPI ID here. Once you enter your UPI ID and apply for IPO, then in your GPay account you will get the notification to approve the payment. So once you say approve in your GPay account, then that's all, you have applied for the IPO. Once you have applied for the IPO, no, we should wait for a tentative listing date and refund, initiation of refunds. So for example, if we apply for urban company, no, if we had applied, then from September 10 to September 12 we can apply. We will get to know whether we got allotment or not by September 15. If we didn't get any allotment on that company, then we will get our money back. Whatever the amount we had applied for this IPO, they would refund it on September 16 itself. So this is how this works, and this is what gray market premium and applying for IPO. And I think Banu, you asked what is IPO. To explain you simply, like assume there is a company which is juice makers or any fresh juice makers company, and they are doing very good, and there is a huge demand for them. Now, uh, uh, to uh, to satisfy that demands, no, they are looking for ways to open multiple branches, like not single branch. They want to open multiple branches in multiple locations, which needs huge money. Now, the money which is needed, no, you can go to bank and get loan, or you can approach your friends and collect the money. But if these two options cannot satisfy your money need, you need a very huge amount which cannot be satisfied by these two options. Now, bank loan also, they would approve you loan based on your financial history and whatever your transactions you make in your account. Based on that, some multiples of that transactions bank may give. From friends also, you can collect some uh, uh, to some part, you can collect the money. But if your business needs very huge amount of money, then what you can do is you can take your company details to some department which is called some register, which will take care of IPO things. You can show them your financial history, your business details, everything. If they approve, then they would take your business details, and they would inform all investors about your business. Like this is the business, this is their financial history, and this is single share price or something like that, so that unknown people, which is general public, can also invest in your company. So these are all such companies. For example, this urban company, if you see, you can come down, and here they have listed their past 3 years of financial history, like how much income they made in past 3 years, how much profit they made, what is their net worth, everything is listed here. Now, the unknown people like me and you can come to this website and look into this financial history. And if I feel confident, then I can go ahead and apply for an IPO. So, IPO is nothing but initial public offering, which is the company is not listed it in the share market, but it is about to get listed. So they will get listed through this IPO things. So you can see here tentative allotment date and tentative listing date, everything. No, so September 17. If you search for this company in your broker account, no, you will not find it. On September 17, you will find this company listed in your stock exchange. So to explain you simply, this is the concept. What is IPO and those things. Let me know if any doubts. Yeah, thanks.